ಹಲೋ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಯಾವುದು? ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ದು ಆಸಿಡ್ಸ್ ಬೇಸಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಾಲ್ಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಚಾಪ್ಟರು ಆಸಿಡ್ಸ್ ಬೇಸಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಸಾಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಪೀಪಲ್ ಫ್ಯೂ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಸೆಷನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ PDF itself. ಸೊ ಈ PDF ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ನ್ಯೂ ಟು ದ ಚಾನಲ್, make sure to subscribe to the channel first so that Rithika Ma'am will be happy, right? So don't forget to give your attendance also. Hit the like button also so that even I'll be happy to get to know that you people are liking the videos. Clear? So acids ಮತ್ತೆ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಾಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೇನೆ ನಾನು. ಥೇರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತೂ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸನ್ನು. ಸೊ ಹೋಗಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. 1 hour ಥೇರಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಫುಲ್ ಥೇರಿ ಏನೇನು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಸೊ ಅದ್ರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸನ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, ಆಯಿತಾ? ಸೊ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಲರ್ನ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ MCQs. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಈ 1 marks ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸನ್ನು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ವಿಲ್ ಲರ್ನ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ 2 marks ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ವಿತ್ ದ 3 marks ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್, ಆಯಿತಾ? ಸೊ ಬಟ್ ನೀವೊಂದು ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಏನಪ್ಪ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಆಸಿಡ್ಸ್ ಬೇಸಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಸಾಲ್ಟ್ಸಿಂದ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಥರ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ದೇನಲ್ಲ ಅವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕುಂತು ಬುಕ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇದು ಒಂದು ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕು, ಆಯಿತಾ? ಸೊ ನಾನಂತೂ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಬಟ್ ಯಾವ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇನಲ್ಲ ಆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸು ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು, ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ನ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ an acid can react with, okay? An acid can react with what? Come on, I'll give you people 10 seconds again. Try it out everyone. 10 seconds ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಮಗೆ. So I'll give you people 10 seconds. You people need to practice it. Then only you are going to get this answer. Okay? ಯಾವುದು? An acid can react with what? They have asked the question. Just 1 minute, guys. Yes. Come on, tell me. An acid can react with AgCl ಅಂತ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Na2CO3, PbSO4, Na2SO4. So what will be the correct answer? An acid will react with carbonate, right? To produce what? Salt and water, right? Acid ಯಾವ್ದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? Acids will reacts with carbonate to get salt and water, right? So option which will be the correct answer? To get a water and a salt, which compound is necessary for us to react it with the acid? Come on, which will be the correct answer? Na2CO3 will be the correct option. Clear? Understood? Let's move to the second question. Which of the following gives the CO2 on heating? So what we will get the CO2 while heating? Come on, this is the perfect answer and easiest direct answer ಇದು. Come on, try this everyone. 10 seconds for everyone. ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೋಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ನೆಸೆಸಿಟಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಹೇಗೆ ನೋಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅದೇ ಥರ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನಾನೇ ನಿಮಗೆ 10 seconds ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನೀವು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಮುಗೀತು. You people will not get to know anything. So what is the answer? CaCO3. It will react or heat to get what? CaO plus CO2, right? CaCO3 by reacting it, what we are going to get? Come on, CO2 antu sigute illi, right? CaO and CO2, right? What we are going to get? CaO plus CO2, right? So what will be the correct answer? What we are going to get? Limestone is the correct option for the question. Next question. Plaster of Paris is made from. 10 seconds again. 10 seconds again. Fast. Try it out everyone. So ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕದನ್ನ, ತಿಳಿತಾ? So it is used from where? So it is made with the help of the gypsum. They will heat this gypsum and then they will prepare it. Done. Next question. Which is the base and not a alkali? Which is the base but not a alkali? Either it is the NaOH, KOH, FeOH through or none. Try this 10 seconds again. I am giving you people 10 seconds again. Try this. So, ಯಾವುದು base ಇದೆ but ಇದು alkali ಇಲ್ಲ. An alkali is a base that is soluble in the water, right? Alkali is a base that is not soluble in the water. Right? So, option C will be the correct answer. Done. Next, chemical formula for the baking soda. This we have discussed while learning the chapter. Come on, who is going to answer this? This is the easiest one. Yen barate NaHCO3. Baking soda is the common name, right? NaHCO3. This we have learnt it already, right? We have learnt it already. Yes. Try Madi. Plaster of Paris hardens by giving off the CO2, changing into the CaCO3, combining with the water and giving out the water. So, plaster of Paris harden ಹೇಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಾವು ನೀರು ತಗೊಂಡಂತೂ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು, right? So, giving of the CO2 is not possible. Right? So, next, changing into the CaCO3, it is becoming bicarbonate. Is it true or no? It is actually calcium carbonate, but it is becoming bicarbonate. Combining with the water, no. Giving out the water. Option D will be the correct answer. Next question, which of the following is evolved when Na2CO3 is being heated? So, when you are going to heat the Na2CO3, what will be the answer? Come on. What will be the answer? 10 seconds again. Try it. Which of the following is evolved when Na2CO3 is being heated? Fast. Na2CO3 heat agid takshana diolus agalla. So option D will be the correct answer. Why? Because Na2CO3 after heating, it will not decompose. Okay. It will not decompose. Understood? Next question. Okay, let's go for the 2 marks questions now. Okay, first 2 marks questions. So, ee tara nanu innond 5-6 nimage homework kottidene, PDF nalli irutte, kuntkondu solve madlebeku. If you people are not practicing these questions like this, then it will be really a waste of time. Okay, next, first question for the 2 marks. How is the concentration of the hydronium ions, that is H3O plus, affected when a solution of an acid is diluted? So, they have asked the concentration of a hydronium ions idella, like O plus, H3O plus idella, it has been affected when the solution of an acid is diluted. Yav solution of acid idella, dilute madidare. Aita, en barate, if an acid of the solution is diluted, I'll change the color. Okay, so when it is being diluted, the hydronium ion concentration will start decreasing. Its concentration will start decreasing. Clear? For that purpose, the acid solutions, the concentration of that hydronium ions will affect. Okay, it will affect the acid solution. Clear? Next comes, what effect does the concentration of H plus ions have on the nature of the solution? On the nature of the solution, how it is? The higher the concentration of H plus ions turns the solution more acidic in nature. If in case we have more OH minus, okay, if in case we have more OH minus, then what do you people need to remember? Oxidation is happening. Sorry, oxidation means not like that. Okay, it's more basic. Clear? So this is for this. Next, what is the common name of the compound CaOCl2? Its a common name is what? Bleaching powder. It's what? Bleaching powder. ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ಬ್ಲೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಪೌಡ್ರು, ವಾಷಿಂಗ್ ಪೌಡರು ಇವತ್ತದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕುಂತು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲ IUPAC ನೇಮು, ಸಾರಿ IUPAC ನಿಮಗೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅವ್ರದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಕಾಮನ್ ನೇಮು, ಸೈಂಟಿಫಿಕ್ ನೇಮು ಅವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೇ ಈಸಿ ಆಗೋದು. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್. Yes. A solution turns red litmus blue. Its pH is likely to be. The solution will turn the red litmus to the blue. Okay. Okay, sorry guys. Red litmus to the blue. Its pH is likely to be 1, 2, 5 and 10. So the correct answer will be what? 10 itself. It will be what? 10 itself. Option D will be the correct answer. Why? Why? Because it's becoming red to the blue. Red to the blue. Andre enu? ABRO. BRB no. BR eno? It is BRB. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ. ಯಾರು ಕುಂತ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಕೇಳಿದಾರಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರಿಗಟ್ಟೆ ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ತಿಳಿತಾ? So go and read the class, then only you can attempt the questions. So a solution reacts with the crushed eggshells to give an gas that turns lime water milky. The solution contains HCl. So because acid should be present, if acid is present, then only the reaction is going to happen. That is, lime water will turn the milky. Then next question, what happens of the crystals of the washing soda when exposed to the air? So whatever happens with the crystal of the washing soda is going to be the reaction now. Okay, so upon exposing of the washing soda crystals to the air, the following reaction will take place. First is Na2. This Na2CO3 10H2O, that is a washing soda chemical name. Okay, chemical formula of washing soda it is. Now that chemical formula of washing soda is going to react with the air they have told. So what we are going to get? Na2CO3 H2O means what? Crystals means, sorry, so that will convert Na2CO3H2O ಏನಿದೆಲ್ಲ ಅದು ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ವಾಟರ್ನನ್ನು. ಓಕೆ, they will remove what? 9H2O. Clear? So in the reaction, the white crystals of the washing soda will turn the washing powder, that is white powder, efflorescence occurs in the washing soda. Clear? This much also if people will write, it's more than enough. Clear? This much also if people will write, it's more than enough. Understood? Yes. Let's start with the next. What is the chemical name of? What is the chemical name of? One second, guys. What is the chemical name of a washing soda? Name 3 raw materials used in making washing soda by Solvay process. The chemical name of that is amino, bromine, limestone, limestone to make the washing soda by the Solvay process. Clear? What is the efflorescence? And give an example. This question is ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ 2 marks ಗೆ. Okay? Yes. So upon exposed to the air, the loss of the molecules of a water of the crystallization from a substances is being defined as efflorescence. Example, in the reaction given below, the crystals of the washing soda turns into the washing powder when it is exposed to the air. That is what we have studied it upper one. Okay. So that is Na2CO3, that is 10H2O washing soda. When it is getting exposed to the air, it's happening what? Na2CO3 H2O means what? 9 molecules of water has been removed from there. Okay, to become what? That washing soda which is there, what it went? Yes, washing powder is there. That crystals will be removed by removing the water. Okay, water content ಅನ್ನು remove ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ powder form ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು powder form ನಲ್ಲಿ ನೀರು ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ, ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. Clear? There the bubbles will be forming. Okay. Next question. Why is the sodium hydrogen carbonate an essential ingredient in antacids? So sodium hydrogen carbonate, that is NaHCO3, is an essential ingredient in antacids because of the basic nature of the salt. It neutralizes the HCl acid which is being released in the stomach. So which is being released in the stomach means what? In stomach the HCl will be there, and that HCl which will actually help us to neutralize it. Okay. For that purpose the reaction will be how? So NaHCO3 is getting reacted with HCl to form NaCl H2O plus CO2. Clear everyone? Next question. Give the name and the formula of the two. They have asked two things, that is strong monobasic and second one is two weak dibasic acids. Okay. Same way you should give it, that is hydrochloric acid and nitric acid. We can tell it like strong monoclonic, mono andre no single. Okay. Mono means single. Rita. Next, two weak dibasic andre, two dibasic, that is H2CO3, or we can take C2H2O4 also, or else Na2OH2 also we can take it. This is with a few examples which we can take it. Now, why alkali like sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide should not be left exposed to the air? So, alkalis are actually hygroscopic. What hydroscopic it is? In nature, upon exposure to the air, they observe the moisture from the surrounding atmosphere and get it dissolved in it. Okay, they'll try to observe everything from the surrounding and they'll try to, means it is an endothermic process. Endothermic process andre enu? Yella horiginda tagond baratte, not from outside, inside. Okay, it will take it from outside and come. Clear? This much you people remember. It's enough. Okay. Next comes what? Bleaching powder forms the milky solution in the water. This questions also we have discussed it, right? This questions also we have discussed it. So, nimagna homework kortideni ಈಗ. So, few questions of the 2 marks you are going to practice it. Done. Let's move to the 3 marks questions now. So, 2 marks ಆಯ್ತು, 1 marks ಆಯ್ತು. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ, ಕುಂತು ಅದನ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಬುಕ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ. ಹಂಗೆ ಕುಂತು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೋಡ್ತೇನಂದ್ರೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್, name the raw materials used in the manufacture of sodium carbonate by the Solvay process. So, the raw materials which is used are sodium hydroxide, limestone and ammonium. Clear? So, this is also very important. Na yella important questions ane tagondirodu LBA based questions matte exercise based questions anna tagondidene. Aita? Bara repeat agiro questions aa concepts anda. Same like this also, how is the sodium hydrogen carbonate is separated from the mixture NH4Cl and NaHCO3. So, how it has been? It is a sparingly soluble in the water. Sparingly andre ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ soluble ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, completely soluble ಆಗಲ್ಲ. Okay. However, NH4Cl will remain disclosed in the solution. For that purpose, the precipitate is being revolved by a filtration. It is being completely removed from the filtration. Clear? Now, next is write equation for the following reaction. Like first one is dilute sulfuric acid will react with zinc granules. It is getting reacted with what? Zinc granules. Consider properly. So, this Zn which is there, it is reacting with H2SO4, that is dilute H2SO4. It will form ZnSO4 plus H2. ZnSO4 plus H2. Clear? Next, dilute hydrochloric acid will react with magnesium ribbon. Magnesium ribbon dantu ನೀವು 8 standard 7 standard allo kaltirbeku ಆಯ್ತಾ? So the reaction can be written as what? Mg is getting reacted with dilute HCl, hydrochloric acid, to form what? MgCl2. Means Mg is getting reacted with chloride first. Okay. Mg is getting reacted with chloride. Then what will be the side product formed? H2 in the gaseous form. Clear? Same with the dilute sulfuric acid which is reacting with the aluminium powder also. Same way, aluminium is getting reacted with H2SO4, that is forming aluminium sulfate, that is Al2SO4, and the 3H2O gas. Clear? So, this such type of a questions you people need to practice it. Trita. So, now ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ few questions discuss ಮಾಡೋಣ. So, next comes A first aid manual suggests that vinegar should be used to treat wasp-sitting and baking soda for the bee stingings. Okay. Now, what does this information tell you about the chemical name of the wasp sting? Okay. Now, vinegar, which is also called as the acetic acid. So, in acids basis, nalli ನೀವು starting ನಿಮ್ಗೆ textbook ನಲ್ಲಿನೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ವಿನೆಗರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಆಸಿಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಲೆಮನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಆಸಿಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಮರಿಬೇಡಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ. So now vinegar, that is also acetic acid, is acidic in nature, and if it is to be used to heal or neutralize the effect of wasp sittings, it is implies that chemical present in the stings should be basic. Means stings nalli basic idre chennagi ನಾವು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತು ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಲೈಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಸಾಲ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಇಫ್ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅ ಬೇಸಿಕ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಟು ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ ದ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್. ತಿಳಿತಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, if there were no baking soda in the house, what other household substances would be used to treat the stings? So if in case baking soda ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ಸೊ ಏನೋ ಬಂದು ಕಡ್ದಿದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ, ಏನು ಜೇನು ಹುಳ ಬಂದು ಕಡ್ದಿದೆ ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಸೊ ಬೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಸೋಡಾ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಇನ್ ನೇಚರ್. ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಟು ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ದ ಬೀ ಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ಸ್, ಇಟ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈಸ್ ದಟ್ ದ ಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ be acidic. In case of unavailability of the baking soda in the house, a solution of ammonium hydroxide, that is NH4OH, also can be used as a same. So it's better to use the baking soda because NH4OH antu nam kade ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ತಿಳಿತಾ? Next question. Does tartaric acid help in making a cake or a bread fluffy? Example. Sorry, justify. Okay. ಇದು application based question ಆಯ್ತಾ? Okay. Now, no tartaric acid does not make the cake or a bread fluffy because no carbon dioxide is being released during the baking. It's a role to react that Na2CO3 is being formed by decomposition of NaHCO3. Okay. For that purpose, the reaction will be how CHOHCOOH, that is acetic acid also is present, plus Na2CO3 plus CHOHCOONA plus H2O plus CO2. Means what? This is tartaric acid. Okay. And this is what? The disodium tartarate. Okay. Now, if this reactions does not occur, Na2CO3 will be important a bitter taste to the cake. It means what? It's necessary that we need everything. Clear? We need everything here. Understood? Next comes what? Explain why. Explain why. Explain why common salt becomes sticky during the rainy season. On exposure to the moist air, common salt becomes sticky because it contains the impurities of magnesium chloride, which has a tendency to become a liquid. Clear? Next comes the blue vitriol changes to white upon heating. Why means CuSO4 5H2O is actually a changes to anhydrous copper sulfate, that is CuSO4, on heating, which is a white in color. Clear? So such type of a questions will be asked to you people. You need to make sure to practice them very well. So ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಸೆಷನ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ನಾ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ 1 marks questions, 2 marks questions ಮತ್ತೆ 3 marks questions ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಸೊ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ 1 marks question ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು MCQ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಂದಿಗೆ MCQ ಬಹಳ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಫ್ಯೂ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ MCQ ನು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಬ್ರೈನ್ಸ್. ನೋ ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ನೀವು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಇರ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಿ 2 marks ಅಷ್ಟು ಓದ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ನೋ, ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಲರ್ನ್ ಇಟ್. ಸೊ PDF ಅಂತೂ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಅವೈಲಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಕುಂತು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್. ದೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಲಿಕ್. ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್, ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೇ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡಿ, ಯು ಪೀಪಲ್ ಆರ್ ಲ್ಯಾಗಿಂಗ್ ಬಿಹೈಂಡ್. Okay, you people are lagging behind. Make sure to sit and study full the theory and then come to learn with the MIQ. Means most important questions. Till then, see you everyone. See you in the next session.